Hello everyone, magandang buhay po sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo about addition and subtraction of integers by using rules or as numerals. So paano nga po ba mag-add ng dalawang integers by using rules? Just like negative 30 plus 20 is equal to blank, or what is negative 10 minus 50? So ipapaliwanag ko po step by step kung ano po yung mga rules in adding and subtracting integers. Okay, so bago po ako magbigay ng examples, let's recall the three ways in adding and subtracting integers. So yung three ways po, yung first ay concrete models. Ito po yung integer chips or signtel. So nagagamit po yung integer chips or signetels in adding and subtracting integers. At yung pangalawa po ay by using pictorial model. Ito po yung number line. Okay, so magagamit po yung number line in adding and subtracting integers. At ito nga po sa pangatlong video na ito, yung video na ito, ang nilalaman po nito ay adding and subtracting integers by using rules or as numerals. Kaya kapag hindi pa po ninyo napanood yung dalawang video ko na first and second way to add and subtract integers, ay ito po yung kanilang picture. Pwede po ninyong balikan dito sa ating channel. Okay, so let's start. Addition of integers by using rules. Ito po yung ating rule number 1. When the integers have like signs, add the numbers and copy the common sign. Okay, this is our example. Number 1, 5 plus 4 is equal to blank. 5 is positive, 4 is positive, and this is addition. So the same positive, the same sign. So sabi po niya, kapag like signs or the same signs, add the numbers. So add po lang po natin 5 plus 4, that is equal to 9. And what is the sign of 5 and 4? Positive. So ang sign ng magiging sagot natin ay positive 9. Okay, ang positive 9 ay can be written as 9. So meron pong plus sign or walang plus sign, pareho lang po yan na positive. Okay? So 9, understood po na yan po ay positive 9. Kahit wala po yung plus sign. Okay? How about this number 2? Negative 5 plus negative 4. So 5 is negative, 4 is negative. So like signs or the same sign. Pareho po silang negative. Again, sabi po ng rule number 1, add the number. I-disregard natin yung negative muna nila. Okay, add natin. 5 plus 4, that is equal to 9. And then kopyahin nila natin yung kanilang sign. Pareho po silang negative. So ang sign ng magiging sagot natin ay negative. That is negative 9. Okay, so another one to master the lesson. 60 plus 40. 60 is positive, 40 is positive. So like sign, add 60 plus 40, that is equal to 100. Ang sign ng 60 at 40 ay positive, so the sign of our answer is positive. And that is positive 100 or pwedeng 100 na lang. Okay, so how about this number 4? Negative 55 plus negative 15. 55 is negative, 15 is negative. So, pareho po silang negative. Again, we are going to add because they have the same sign. I-disregard muna natin yung kanilang negative sign. What is 55 plus 15? That is equal to 70. And then copy their sign, parehong negative, that our sign is negative. So the answer is negative 70. Okay, so for rule number 2, when the integers have unlike signs, subtract the numbers and use the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. How about kung ang i-add po natin ay unlike signs or different sign? Magkaiba po yung sign, just like this number 1 example. 6 plus negative 4 is equal to blank. The first integer is positive, the second integer is negative. So, different signs or unlike signs. So, ang sabi po niya, subtract the numbers. I-disregard natin yung negative. And then, subtract natin yung dalawang numbers. Okay? Disregard mo natin yung negative. What is 6 minus 4? 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Okay? And then, sabi po niya, yung sign na magiging sagot natin ay use the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. Ano ang mas malaki? 6 or 4? Ang mas malaki po ay 6. What is the sign of 6? Positive. So, ang maging sign ng sagot natin is positive. So, our answer is positive 2 or pwede nang i-remove yung positive, pwedeng 2 only. Okay? Again, pwedeng may plus sign, pwede pong wala. How about this number 2? Okay, negative 8 plus 5 equal to blank. 8 is negative, 5 is positive. Now, we are adding unlike signs o magkaiba po yung sign yung i-add natin. So, sabi po ng rule, kapag magkaiba ang sign, you are going to subtract. So, what is 8 minus 5? I-disregard po natin yung negative. What is 8 minus 5? That is equal to 3. And then, ano ang mas malaki? I-disregard natin yung negative. 8 or 5? Okay, mas malaki po yung 8. So, ano yung sign ng 8? Ang sign po niya ay negative. So, yung sign na maging sagot natin ay negative. So, our answer is negative 3. Okay, so about this number 3 example, 10 plus negative 30 is equal to blank. So, 10 is positive and 30 is negative. So, we are going to add unlike signs or different signs. So, sabi po ng rule number 2, kapag magkaiba po yung sign, you are going to subtract the two numbers. So, subtract po natin, i-disregard natin yung negative. What is 30 minus 10? Bakit inuna ko po yung 30 sa pagsusubtract? Kasi mas malaki po yung 30 kaysa sa 10, okay? So, 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. And then, yung sign po ng sagot natin na 20 ay depende po kung ano ang mas malaki sa dalawang number, pero i-disregard natin yung kanilang negative sign. So, 10 at 30. I-disregard natin yung negative ng 30. Which is greater, 10 or 30? 30. Ano po yung sign ng 30? Negative. So, yung maging sagot natin, ang sign niya ay negative. So, 10 plus negative 30 is equal to negative 20. Okay, for number 4 example, negative 60 plus 80. 60 is negative, 80 is positive. So, unlike signs or different sign, we are going to subtract. So, 80 minus 60, that is equal to 20. So, always, unahin po natin yung mas malaki sa pagsusubtract. I-disregard po natin yung negative. Okay? So, 80 minus 60 is 20. And then, ano ang mas malaki? 80 or 60? With disregard natin yung negative, ba? So, ang mas malaki po ay 80. So, ano po yung sign ng 80? Positive. So, ang sign ng sagot natin ay positive. So, our answer is positive 20 or just 20. Okay, so how about this number 5 example? Negative 6 plus 4 plus negative 5. So, tatlong integers po ang inilagay ko na po dito. Okay? So, we are adding 3 integers. So, negative 6 plus 4 plus negative 5. So, paano po tayo mag-a-add? Of course, i-add po muna natin yung dalawang integers. Yung first two integers muna yung i-add natin. Okay? So, negative 6 plus 4. So, negative 6 is negative, 4 is positive. So, magkaiba po sila ng sign, i-subtract natin. What is 6 minus 4? 2. Ano po yung sign ng mas malaking number? Ang mas malaki po ay 6, ang sign po niya ay negative. So, ang maging sagot po natin dyan ay negative 2. Okay po ba? And then, saka po natin i-add yung sagot dun po sa third integer natin na negative 5. So, ito ay magiging negative 2 and then plus negative 5. So, negative 2, negative 5, pareho pong negative. So, like signs po sila. Again, as a review, ang like sign ay we are going to add. I-disregard natin yung kanilang negative sign. So, 2 plus 5, that is equal to 7. And then, parehos po silang negative. So, ang sagot ng, yung sign ng sagot natin ay negative. So, our answer is negative 7. So, negative 6 plus 4 plus negative 5, the answer is negative 7. Okay. Number 6 example. Negative 7 plus negative 5 plus 8. So, unahin po natin yung first two integers, yung negative 7 at negative 5. So, pareho po silang negative and then we are going to add. So, the same sign, you are going to add. 7 plus 5, that is equal to 12. And then, pareho po silang negative. So, ang sign na maging sagot natin ay negative. So, that is negative 12. Then, yung sagot natin dyan, i-add natin sa third integer. So, negative 12 plus 8. So, 8 is positive, 12 is negative. So, magkaiba po sila ng sign. Ang rule po, pag magkaiba ang sign, subtract. 12 minus 8. Ang sagot po ay 4. Ano po ang mas mataas? 8 or 12? Disregard po yung negative ha. Ang mas malaki po, disregard yung negative sa 12 and 8, ang mas malaki po ang 12. Ang sign ng 12 is negative, so ang sign na maging sagot natin ay negative. So, negative 7 plus negative 5 plus 8, the answer is negative 4. Okay, so how about subtraction of integers using rules? Ito po yung rule natin. In subtracting integers, move subtraction into addition and follow the rule of addition. Okay, so just like po sa latest video ko about number line, so from subtraction, gawin po nating addition and then sundin po natin daw yung rule ng addition. Okay, just like this one, number 1. Example, 10 minus 30. Okay? So, ito po ay subtraction of integers. So, 10 minus 30. So, paano po i-move itong subtraction into addition? Ganito lang po yan kapag hindi po nyo napanood yung latest video ko. First, copy natin yung first integer, positive 10. Ito po yan. Okay? Since that is minus 30, yung minus po na ito ay gawin po nating sign ng next integer. Ito pong 30. Kaya ito po ay magiging negative 30. Okay? Kukunin po natin yung minus as sign of 30. So, negative 30. And then, since nakuha na po yung negative na sign mula po sa minus, then maging ang operation po dito ay plus. So, this will become 10 plus negative 30. So, yan po, from subtraction into addition. And then, follow the rule in adding integers. So, you are going to add positive and negative because this is positive 10 and negative 30. So, positive and negative if you add. So, magkaiba po ng sign. Pag magkaiba, again, subtract. Okay, what is 30 minus 10? The answer is 20. And then, between 10 and 30, alin po ang mas malaki? Disregard yung negative. 30 or 20 or 30 or 10? 30 po. What is the sign of 30? Negative. So, ang sign po ng sagot natin ay negative. So, our answer is negative 20. So, 10 minus 30, the answer is negative 20. Okay, how about this number 2? Negative 5 minus 10. Again, this is minus. Then, from subtraction, gawin po nating addition. First, copy natin yung negative 5. And then, sa minus 10, yung minus, gawin po nating negative ng kasunod number. So, magiging negative 10. At ito po ay gawin nating plus. So, this will become negative 5 plus negative 10. Again, we are going to follow the rule of adding integers because this is plus now. So, we are going to add the same sign. Negative 5, negative 10. So, add natin, disregard natin yung negative. 10 plus 5, that is equal to 15. And then, ang sign po nila ay negative pareho. So, copy the sign. Ang sign ng sagot natin na 15 is negative 15. Okay. Kung mapansin po ninyo, naglalagay po ako ng close and open parenthesis. Okay? Kapag may negative. So, kapag may negative po yung ating integer at ang sinusundan po niya ay operation, then always, okay, maglagay po tayo ng close and open parenthesis. Kasi kapag wala pong close and open parenthesis, kagaya po ito, 10 plus of close parenthesis ay open parenthesis. So kapag wala po itong parenthesis na ito, ang basa po dyan ay 10 plus minus 30. Ganun po yung basa nun. Okay? At hindi naman po pwedeng dalawang operation sa pagitan ng dalawang integers. Dapat isang operation lang po. Ano po? Kaya para ma-indicate na ito ay negative 30, yan po ay 10 plus, then open parenthesis negative 30. So, siyempre, mayroon po siyang close parenthesis. Kagaya din po nito, negative 5 plus negative 10. So, kapag wala po itong parenthesis, ang basa po kasi dyan ay negative 5 plus minus 10. So, dalawa na po yung operation niya. So, hindi po pwede. Kaya naglalagay po tayo ng close and open parenthesis kapag ang next na number ay negative. Okay, for number 3 example, 10 minus negative 12. How about naman po pag ganito yung given? Okay? Minus and then negative pa yung sinusundan. So, paano po natin gagawin na ito po ay maging addition? So, kasi ito po ay subtraction. Kapag ganito po na minus negative, pagsasamahin po natin yung dalawang negative. Okay? So, first, copy the first integer, positive 10. And then, gawin po natin ito pong minus negative, gawin po nating plus. Pagsamahin po natin itong dalawang dash, magiging plus. Okay? So this become 10 plus 12. So what is 10 plus 12? That is equal to, it's very easy, 22. So 10 minus negative 12, that is equal to 22. How about this one? Negative 5 minus negative 6. Okay? So, ang pagkakaiba lang po sa number 3 at number 4, yung 10 positive, yung 5 dito negative. So, the same process, kopyahin lang po natin yung first integer, hindi po magbabago yung kanyang sign. So, it is still negative 5 po ito. And then, ito pong minus negative, magiging plus. Okay? So, minus negative will become plus. And then, ito po ay 6. So, what is negative 5 plus 6. So, magkaiba po silang sign. 5 is negative, 6 is positive. So, subtract 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1. At ano po ang sign ng mas malaking number? 6 po ba or 5? 6. And the sign of 6 is positive. So, our answer is positive 1. Okay? Positive 1 or just 1. To apply our knowledge in adding and subtracting integers, let us try this activity. So, perform the integrated operation. So, ito po ay addition and subtraction of integers. So, ito po ay 1 to 8 questions. So, pwede po ninyong sagutan by using rules or as numerals. At ang magiging sagot po ninyo, pwede po ninyong i-comment sa ating comment box below. At yung may pinakamataas po ang score, may premyo pong naghihintay sa akin. Okay? So that is 1 to 8 questions. Salamat sa panonood kaibigan. Kung natuto ka sa video na ito at nagustuhan mo, please click like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.